U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, visible light. What does it all mean? I'll tell you right now.
Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.
What is a energy efficient window? An energy efficient window is a window that's going to keep as much of the outside elements out. It's going to knock out the weather, I guess you should say. Pretty good, right? That means it's going to seal up your house better. That means it's going to reject cold air, the cold. It's going to reject the heat. But some windows do that better than others, and how can you tell? Here's one way of doing it. Now take this one with a grain of salt here. Now this is the NFRC. This right here is the NFRC label. Okay, if it's an energy efficient rated window, it's going to have this sticker right here. Now it's going to break down the U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, same thing. Basically, the lower the number, the better. You can get the solar heat gain coefficient down to as low as 0.13 if you wanted to get that. If you wanted to get it that low. U factor, that's how well it keeps the cold out and the warm air in. Lower the number, the better, but we can get that down to a 0.20 if we needed to. Again, it's on a scale of 0 to 1. Same thing with solar heat gain coefficient. That's how well it keeps the heat out. On a scale of 0 to 1, lower the number, the better. Okay. Now you have visible transmittance. That's how much light is going through the glass. And air leakage. That one right there, I can't wait to make that video because that is an extremely important thing, is how well it keeps out or how well it seals up your house. Now, most people think that energy efficient windows just reject heat and cold. That's not at all even the most important part of them. The most important part of them is actually how well it seals up your house. That balloon has a bunch of holes in it right now, which is why you're watching this video. When you seal up with good sealing windows your entire house, what that's going to do is it's actually going to pressurize your house. Your AC right now, let's say in the summertime, your AC is pumping cold air into your house. And right now, that balloon that has a bunch of holes in it, it's not pressurizing. All of that air is basically escaping through your windows, your doors, and various places. If you seal it all up, right, it's going to pressurize that balloon. And therefore, when it's pushing air in, where does the air go? It goes into the return of your AC unit. Therefore, your AC runs much more efficiently. That doesn't have anything to do with the heat or the cold. It's how well it's going to operate inside of your house. And that's what's actually saving you all the money. When you're driving down the highway, it's hot outside and you have the AC on and you hit that little button that circulates the air in your car, and what that does, it seals up all the vents around your vehicle, right? The AC then blows harder, blows colder. Same thing for your house. You replace your windows and doors with good, solid, good sealing, energy efficient windows, you're hitting that very button for your house. Your AC is going to work better. It's going to be less wear and tear. It's going to last longer. Same thing in the wintertime. Same thing for the heat. It's going to heat your house much more efficiently. And so that's really what you're replacing the windows for. Yes, it's nice that it keeps out the heat and the cold, and that is a big part of it, but it's not the biggest part. It's the seals of the window. Different manufacturers have all different kinds of ratings. Okay, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this sticker right here. Choosing new windows can be overwhelming, but our free window buyer's guide makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if you're in one of our areas, make sure you add Desert King windows to your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King windows, we knock out the weather.